What if I have prior injuries?
Prior injuries are something that's extremely common. Most people have prior injuries or prior medical conditions which the defense likes to bring up. The truth of the matter is quite often those conditions which have been aggravated or exacerbated because of a new accident actually can make a case stronger and more valuable. Because the person already was struggling with a previous neck condition or back condition, and now it's worse. The pain may be worse, or the disability may be worse. Now, if somebody had a prior accident and made a claim, and the condition healed and went away, then it's as if they didn't have an accident or injury before. And that's what the judge tells a jury during a trial. If somebody has an active, ongoing disability or condition, the difference from where that condition was and what the accident increased it to is what's part of the claim. So whether or not somebody has a prior injury should not determine whether or not a case is to be taken or not, or whether you have the right to bring a claim. What it does is it may affect the value by making it either stronger or diminishing it somewhat. The point is that it's not comparative negligence, and it's not fault on your part that you may have had a prior neck or back or pre-existing condition or disability. That's actually the defendant's problem to deal with.